Hello, welcome back to another video of X++ programming language. In this video, we'll discuss about the iterative statement in X++ programming language. So iterative statement, it means the loops. Iterative statement or loop or a repeated statement block until a condition has been satisfied. So this type of iterative statements are used in X++ programming language. A loop or iterative statement in X++ language can be categorized in three different kind. The first one is the while, second one is the do while, and the third one is the for. So these are some loops that are present in X++ programming language. First one, while loop, do while loop, and for loop. And loop can be combined with break statement and continue statement. So if you want to break in certain condition from inside the loop, then it will be possible using the break statement. And if based on a specific condition you want to continue it, then you can use the continue keyword to continue it. Okay, so first we will discuss about while loop, and then we'll see one by one. So in this video we will discuss about while loop first, then in subsequent videos we will talk about do while loop and for loop as well. So first let's try to understand that what is while loop. Okay, a while loop enable you to repeatedly run one statement or a compound statement. Compound statement means if it's containing more than one statement, or it may have multiple statement, or also inside it can contain various types of logic. So on that case we call it as a compound statement. Okay, so a while loop enable you to repeatedly run one statement or a compound statement if a condition is true. So for that we have to specify a condition that I will show you in my code as well. Okay, so first now let me show you the syntax and code, how you can write the code for loop. In X++, a while loop, you know that a loop repeatedly execute a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. So now let me talk about the syntax. First you have to give the keyword while, and then you have to specify some condition inside it. So here you have to give the condition, and inside this bracket you have to specify bracket like this, and inside this bracket you can give your statement, or you can write your compound statement over here. This is the basic syntax. Code to be executed, code to be executed. So this is the basic syntax of while loop. Now to write a actual code, I have to take one example. For example, I want to print the value of a variable from 1 to 5. Then I can use the for loop, and I can do a repetitive statement with the while loop. So I can use here while loop, and with a condition I have to specify a variable, and on a condition I have to specify that should go up to 5. So for that let me declare a variable integer I over here, and then I have to specify a while, and then inside it I have to specify a condition that I is less than equal to 5. So it will go till 5, right? And now what you have to do, you just have to write a statement so that it prints in the front end. So for that what we will do, I'll write a statement info, and inside it I'll write strfmt, and inside this I'll specify iteration number, but I have to give a second bracket like this one, iteration number, and then I have to give a %1 so that I can print out the iteration, which is our variable I. You are able to specify I, and then I have to give semicolon. You can, instead of I, you can take any variable name. correct? And each time the value of the I should increment, right? So that's why I have to write like this one, because the count should increase. Okay, so in this particular example, the loop will print the iteration number from 0 to 5. The condition I less than equals to 5 is checked before each iteration, and the loop continues as long as this particular condition is true. Okay, so now let me save it, and then I'll just click on build to build the solution, and then I'll show you the result. Okay, so as you can see that our program executed successfully, and here is our result. So if we'll see from the bottom, you can see iteration number 0, it's starting from 0 and it is going up to 5. Okay, so this is how you can write your code for the while loop. Okay, you can write more complex operation inside the loop, but I am just giving the idea how you can write the code. So if you want to write more complex code, then welcome, obviously you can do that as well, but my agenda is to show you how you can use the while loop and why it is used, how you can use it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one in the do while loop. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye bye.